Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate this 5700XT to have the same black screen problem with other video editing software like the Resolve, the davinci Resolve. First, the same. I will check the hardware information, device manager, display adapter. I will move further so you can see everything. Move further. You see the version, the driver latest one, RS5700XT AMD. Okay. Everything the same. The AMD software, latest version, all the default profile, no overclock or undervolt, no, everything go with a standard way. And even I do some tuning in the past, it still got the same problem. But we make it straightforward. Driver, yeah, 20.7.2, latest one, release on 7th of 11, 2020. And performance, everything is automatic default. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate the davinci Resolve. So, also have this black screen problem. First, open davinci Resolve. Now we can create a new project, load the same video, and do some basic operation only. No need some complicated operation, just some default basic operation. You can see how terrible this card behaves. Now quite long. I have to wait. Okay, create a new project. File, import file. Import the same file. Other files are the same, but I just use the same file to do the demonstration. And now you can see when I put in, it's supposed to display, but the screen is black for this software. It means this card seems to have some problems. But maybe we wait for some time longer, we can see the display. So I'm waiting and waiting. And now I cannot do editing. I have to wait. All the default setting. I still have to wait. This davinci Resolve 16 is the latest one. Okay, after waiting for 30 seconds maybe, finally I can see a picture. Then I play. So now we are fortunate it is playing. And we can do some operation, and then later you will see suddenly the screen will become black again. Okay, we just do some operation. Play. Oh, it's since hand already. Yeah, that's another issue. You see, I almost did nothing, and this davinci resolve under this. Oh, you see, the whole software crashed. It just goes to nowhere. We can go to check the event viewer. Maybe there are some information, maybe not, but we have to see. Application. First, we have a look at this, the log for this AMD card. So I move this graphic card nearer and check the log together. I'm waiting for the log to come up. So here is the log. Okay. And here is an error. Have a look at error information. They said some error has a problem starting. And this one, the PCI, we look at the other nearby information you can see. This one is the AMD card, AMD graphic card in the PCI slot. So, and in 1 second later, it comes into the error. It's the same device information, and it just falls into error. And this error may be related to the crash, maybe not, I'm not sure, but this card did have error. And the error happened quite frequently. You can see here the error interval is only a few minutes. And you can see the error. This card generates some system error, and the error message are the same. Okay, and we look at other log. Windows log seems no much information from Windows log. Yesterday I did a check. I didn't see any of the from the application log. And we look at the system log. The system log, only one error, but it has no relation to this card yet. Maybe related, I'm not sure, but it seems not very related. Application log, they said application error. Here I see one of the application error. See? The arrow shows this faulty model. Anyway, it failed resolve because the application is resolved. It's a davinci resolve. We just now we played, and this graphic card just crashed this davinci resolve. So that means this card crashed Premiere Pro. It also crashed. It has a black screen for Premiere Pro and also crashed davinci resolve. This card is very unstable. And these are the two major video editing program I'm using, but I can use none of them. It's a huge problem for me. Okay, and we can check the Adobe log. I go to find the location of Adobe log. It should be here. It's under this place. Adobe, and then Premiere Pro. Is it? Yeah. Premiere Pro. But when you go inside, you'll find my one the 202 is the 14. But when we click in the log folder, there is no log because when it fall into the black screen problem, it seems the window is just running normal. Only the graphic card, the AMD graphic card, make the screen black. So the software level didn't record this black screen. Okay. So that's all about the issue. And you see this error. It's just happened just now while this graphic card crashed the davinci Resolve. And compared to my old car, GTS 1070, which is very smooth, stable with davinci Resolve. So I have two proof from both davinci Resolve and Premiere Pro that this card got problem, defect, and this card cannot be used. I have to return and ask for refund.